Hey, it's Maxine. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm so excited. L'Oreal and YouTube sent me a bunch of products. Very appreciative to L'Oreal and YouTube for sending me products, so thank you so much. I'm just really grateful because I've been filming content for my channel for so many years and I took a little bit of a break when I had my baby, but now I'm back to posting content and it's just really exciting for me to know that a big brand like L'Oreal even know about my channel and love my content, and I wanted to show you what they sent me. And I already took a quick peek inside of the box when I originally got it, but I didn't take any of the products out because I wanted to wait for this video, my unboxing video. So this is what it looks like. It's a huge box with a bunch of brands, and they sent me this card from L'Oreal Professionnel products and YouTube. And it says, it's such a nice message that they wrote. It made me smile. It still does. I got this, I got these products last week and I'm just so excited over it. So it says, we're big fans of the incredible work you bring to the professional hair community and wanted to gift you some of our favorites from L'Oreal Professional Products Division. We hope these products inspire and continue to elevate the creativity and passion you bring to each and every transformation behind the chair. We hope you enjoy and we can't wait to see what you create. I just love that so much, the nice note. It's so encouraging and motivating for me. For them to send me all these products, just so nice. The first product I'm gonna pull out, I'm just gonna do it in order here. Mizani Miracle Milk. I have used this before and I absolutely love how moisturizing this is, but I haven't used this in a long time. So I'm actually really excited to use this. It's for all hair types, so I can use it on my hair. I'm just gonna spray. Oh my God, it's a brand new product. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh, I just love the way it smells. I cannot wait to use this on my hair. Like I said, I haven't used it in a while, but I'm going to use this now, even on my daughter's hair, because she's been swimming in the pool a lot and sometimes her hair can feel like a bit crazy, so I've been putting conditioner in her hair, and I can use this as a leave-in spray after she gets out of the bath or showers. The next product they sent me is Matrix Super Sync in the shade 6M, and I love Matrix. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know most of the colors I use on my channel, if not exclusively Matrix. I just absolutely love Matrix. I've been featured by them before. I can't wait to use the Super Sync line on things that I have in mind for future content, but 6 Mocha is one of my favorite levels and tones, so I'm actually thinking about using this on my hair. I really wanted to do some balayage highlights in my hair. I don't really do much color on my hair, just a toner, but I'm thinking about doing highlights on my hair soon, so I'm probably going to be using this 6 Mocha in one of my videos of me doing my own hair, so look out for that. I have seen this brand many times throughout my career, so I am so excited that they sent me this, and I will definitely be trying this. It's a mask, and let me check this out for a second here. I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Oh, that's cool. It's different. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It's like a balm. I love that. I can't wait to use this in my hair. Always open to trying new brands, so that's why I super appreciate this assortment of products, because I want to venture out and try new brands, because I'm also always trying to be on the lookout for brands I can recommend to you guys or products I can recommend to you guys, because I do get a lot of questions on what products to use for your hair and things like that, so I will be coming out with more recommendations. I like the packaging. It's so sleek and black. It's so cool. Intense Revitalization Treatment, Roots to Tips. Another mask. That's great. I have super long hair, so the more masks I use on my hair, the better. A hydrating mask, all the things, because I like to keep my hair nice and healthy, so check this out. Ooh. Ooh, that smells so good. The consistency is like gel-like, so I'm super excited to try this. It's different. It's a different mask than I've ever tried before. The next brand is Pureology. I've used Pureology before. My salon used to carry Pureology years ago, but I've never used this one, Hydrate Glow Catcher Oil for dry, color-treated hair. I love serums. They all smell so good, and I use them on my hair, especially after I curl my hair. Ooh. I love the ones with vials. Oh my God, it's so like, The packaging's amazing. It's very luxurious. So I'm very excited to use this. They also sent me Redken Shades EQ in the shade 9GI, and in my last salon, before the salon I was at, most recently, they carried mostly Redken, and I use Shades EQ all the time. And I honestly missed using Shades EQ for so many years, but I'm gonna start using them again because I love their Shades EQ especially. It's a liquid demi-permanent. I love Biolage. I use them all the time. I have their shampoo and conditioner, and their Hydra Source is so moisturizing and hydrating. I use them even for like conditioning treatments, but they sent me here the Moisture Method Scalp and Hair Serum Hydration Concentrate Hydra Source. Like, I just love anything hydrating for my hair. Ooh, I don't have this product. I'm so excited to use this. Again, I love the vials. It's so like luxurious. So wait, I gotta see how to use this. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I just love the way Biolage smells. It's so clean smelling. Attracts moisture and repels dryness for long-lasting hydration on scalp and strands. That's really cool that you can use this on your scalp and your hair, because I feel like most hair serums, we want to just use it like on our ends and we want to steer clear of the scalp. But it's actually really cool that they designed this and formulated this to go on your scalp as well, because especially somebody who's like me and loves super long hair, your scalp health is so important for healthy hair. So the fact that they have a moisturizing serum for your scalp that's so cool. I've never tried this, but I've seen this in the beauty supply store so many times, and I'm constantly like, oh, I want that, but I have to be like mindful on what I buy and stuff. So I love that they sent me this. I cannot wait to use this. They also sent me Pulp Riot semi-permanent color in the shade Red Fireball, and I have used Pulp Riot before for fashion colors, but I haven't done fashion colors in so long, so I cannot wait to use this. I'll probably try to do something with this color in fall time. I love Pulp Riot. Their colors are so vibrant and conditioning. It seems like the last product they sent me is L'Oreal Professionnel Paris Metal Detox. I have seen this in the store. I never used it before. Sprayed on dry hair before color application. It's supposed to neutralize metal to prevent hair damage and color shift. Ooh, this is a big bottle too. That's really good. I'm gonna smell it. I know you're not supposed to like smell, I guess, I don't know if this is considered a chemical or not, but wow, wait, we learned that in hair school. Don't ever smell chemicals. Waft the smell. You're supposed to waft. It's not anything overpowering, so that's really good. I'll let you know which ones I recommend the most. I'm sure I'm gonna love all of them, so don't be surprised if I'm like, oh my god, I love all of these, because I'm pretty open-minded when it comes to products, but I'll let you know how it goes. So that's all the products. Again, thank you so much to L'Oreal for thinking of me and looking out for my channel and sending me these products. It means so much to me, that because I've worked on my channel for many years and I really do care about people and their hair and teaching them what I know, because I have 20 years of experience and I remember what it was like when I was learning and there wasn't content out there really. Like, the only content that people had were super professional, highly produced, model call type of education. And yeah, so throughout the years I've just been really passionate about helping people learn and expand their knowledge. So I love being able to offer my knowledge, and I hope it helps, and I just really appreciate a brand like L'Oreal noticing my educational content. And yeah, so I just really appreciate it and I'm super grateful. And again, thank you so much. To all my subscribers, I appreciate you watching this video. I know this is like just, wow, I got a bunch of products type of unboxing video, but it's important to know what brands and products are out there so that you know what you can use in your hair and your client's hair to maintain the best healthy hair that you can. It's not always as easy as buying all the products you can at your disposal. You know, like I've said, many of these products I've seen on the shelf at beauty supplies stores before, but it's not always like in our budget to just buy everything and try everything, you know what I mean? So like, and I can relate to that. So like, thank you for watching this video, because you get to be like introduced to products that you might not have used yet, or maybe you'll see some products that you have used. So like, that was me. Some of these products I've used and love, and some I'm excited to try. I appreciate you being open-minded to watching an unboxing video of products, because it's good for us to know what's out there and what we can use for our clients and our hair and keep the hair we're working with super healthy. Again, huge thank you to L'Oreal on YouTube. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.